Right. The thing is jam songs, Beach Boys. Rider, perspiration drop. Me off at the station, cover the nation. The best notion at the time was to let the words bless me and my birds become rhyme. I will show you what's to come. Shine with less trick, but the whip hard like an animal. Hell rise if you will. The will of man is to kill. The will of my Wilson still retreat when I hit the bill. The will of man retreat when free will speak. Hold my beat.
That was so good.
We got our spots, only skate that spot. If you skate a lot, 10 kilometers to the nearest nurse goal. Ankle roll, ankle rock. In wet sock, wet lock, make the dreadlock knock. Our kids are sleeping cots, crabs are sleeping rocks on the jetty parking lots. The endless old wind rose the silence. Make noise I don't like and I will get a little violent. Pilot, retire, clean it, feel it, seal it, breathe it. Hard in the backyard to feel it. That old rhythmic, telepathic, static. Keep calm whilst acting spastic. Old nutmeg Greg once said to me whilst drawing snake heart shed to me. These beggars will always use meds to stay steady, arms and legs to beg. Saliva to break down bread, that page breaks down lead. Never refuses ink, gills bleed and have bled. Grip your people and zap them love, then zap them again and again. My bruv, these days the God got them places 24/7 a week. Feeding us all that shit on that easy peasy street. Feeding our kids too much cheese and meat. Giving them the wrong ground for the wrong feet. Sometimes the right sound for the wrong beat. Doesn't matter, birds still tweet. So make a move, prove sweet. Wake and jump in next hurdle, gets a leap. Next turtle gets a piggyback to the nearest creek. Hold your leak and I'll hold my beak. And I'll buy us a cheap beetroot lunch next week. Ooh. That sounds alright. The Perth empty. Not all of you. The Perth think I see them. Holding the bottle, drinking, ready, thinking, belly, in between them. Limbo, bimbos, logic and reason. The entire point of being. The work stepping down about the place in the museum. But who would want to be him? Like responsible role model. Life in the fast lane, but not quite full throttle. Over full bottle, poly waffle. It was my pretty good. I tuned the first two shows, must have been the beat. Then I drooped with the loop and introduced new jargon induced by silly liquid and parfum hardened. Try more of that jargon. Coughing like we got a problem often. And often the snake is to turn and trip. Burn the spliffs with the ice slip, provide skip. And a strip with pin tips, the pink drips. Then Zen trips exist to no real benefit. Then who are them who makes bra? Both gnarly and bizarre. Fakes can paste on sour bread. Empower the flake. And then equate to more bar on head. Repetition is combobulate. Subconscious, I don't like high definition. Homemade rhythm equipment set up in the kitchen with the rhythm. Clandestine rhyme, reminisce about the dearest friend. When it still hurts to think of one cease to exist on the brink of self-disintegration. Disinterest I'm always maintaining in all forms of goddamn communication. That's the reverend.